This short video will demonstrate the installation of OpenCPI on Ubuntu 18.04 and OpenCPI version 2.1.0. So we're going to git clone the OpenCPI project. I'm going to name it just OpenCPI version 2.1.0. You can have multiple versions on the same machine. Everything is sandboxed to its own directory. As long as when you source the OpenCPI environment, you source it from the version that you want to use. Once that's cloned, we can change directory, and we'll run the we'll check out the specific version because by default it's developed, and then we'll run the OpenCPI install script. We'll run through the install. So after OpenCPI installs, it does run through some tests. Presumably those test failures that you see are fixed in the patch releases. But we're going to source the OpenCPI environment and then OpenCPI OCPI admin install platform, Xilinx 19.2, ARC32. So there's another video that goes into detail and goes through every step of the process, but this is just showing once the RCC platform is complete, you can build for Zed, and this will take a long time. It's about 8 hours. And then once that's complete, you have both the RCC and the HDL. You can deploy the platform using OCPI deploy platform, the RCC platform, and then the HDL platform. If only I just need to spell it correctly. So there's another video that goes through every step of the process. This is just showing 2.1 for the Zedboard, creating the SD card artifacts. So once the platform is deployed, if you look under the SDK, Zed, SD card, you'll notice that along with the OpenCPI directory, there are the boot artifacts to boot the Zedboard.